that uh, that lifestyle, that's kind of suffering, not good suffering. There's no happiness, joy in here. And when we start acting towards something that worrying us, uh, anxiety just goes away. That's something we all need to know. Everyone has anxiety those days, and just pure actions cure all kind of anxiety. Just action. Like maybe you have many problems right now, but those problems are not even real because you have. That's why you have anxiety. That you are worrying about something mm, that wouldn't happen. Like most of 99% of our thoughts never come to reality. So anything you are worrying won't come to real life. So that's anxiety. And when we start acting, those anxiety goes away, just disappears. Like not directly disappear, but they your anxiety will reduce over time. You will be more joyful and calm down. That's how life works. Tomorrow I have something in my mind, and thank you for being with me here. I love the experience, and I read every comment, and thanks for every support, you guys. Mm, See you in the next video then.